You search how to buy shares of CSLM Digital Asset Acquisition Corp. 3 Limited. CSLM Digital Asset Acquisition Corp. 3 Limited is focused on digital asset opportunities and trades on NASDAQ under the ticker KOYN. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. To buy KOYN, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as a neutral example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading a government ID, and add funds before you can place a buy order. On the platform, use the search bar and type the ticker KOYN to find the listing. Make sure you select the NASDAQ entry that matches CSLM Digital Asset Acquisition Corp. 3 Limited. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the company name and the NASDAQ ticker KOYN to ensure it is the correct stock. Click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be queued for the next session, and if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will ask you to add money before finalizing. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to the broker is in the description below.